Okay, this is Nervous Nick. This is, we got here the Dell Latitude D630 laptop. And I'm going to show you how to put a SSD in here. The number one thing you can do to speed up the computer, the laptop, is to upgrade your hard drive to an SSD. That's number one. It's going to give you a lot of speed. It's going to boot like crazy. Anyway, and you want to pick up. I got a set of screwdrivers here at Harbor Freight. I'll leave a link down in the descriptions there. You want a good set of these. It's got all the different sizes. I got some old Craftsman over here. That's a 1/8 straight edge right there. Got another nice one right here. Craftsman. I don't know the size of this one. Don't say. Anyway, all right, let's get to it right here. Dell Latitude D630. Even if you don't have the D630, your laptop's similar to this. You're just going to go in and take the panels off, and it's basically the same process. Just watch what I do here. Okay? You want to get your batteries out first. Okay, this is the primary battery. I just flipped it over. This is the front out here. Here's your buttons to open it. Okay, you got a latch here. We got one latch here. So you push them out away from each other. That one just stuck there for me. I think one of these broke. That one's stuck there. Okay, you want to click it towards you, just about a 1/4 inch. Not very much. You pull it towards you. After you push these out, push them out, and they'll stick. You pull it towards you, lift it up. Okay, that's the primary battery. We'll set that aside. I also, on this computer, where you have your CD-ROM, you can also switch it out and put a battery in there, a secondary battery. That's what I got in mind. All right, we got this is the CD-ROM slot over here. Your DVD, optical drive. Here's the button here. I got we're flipped over here. We're upside down though. Okay, push the button in. Just pull it out. Slides right out, just like your DVD-ROM. Mine's sticking a little bit. There we go. We're upside down. Okay, take that one out. Just while we're playing around with the hard drive here. Now I don't have it's in one of my other laptops, the SSD. It's the same size it's going to be the same size as the one you got in here. But the one that's in there is going to be a spin drive. It's going to be from 2008. They were little spin drives. They spun like a record player, and they were slower. So anyway, you get your screwdriver. And I already got the screws out here. It's right here. Okay, now here was your primary battery. Okay, it's right here. It's right underneath here. You don't worry about these here. These are just pads for the bottom of the computer here, for the bottom of the laptop. Okay, you can have one screw here. I already got the screws out though. One's right here, and one's right here. They're kind of at an angle here from each other. One's in the back over here. One here. And I don't think anything goes there. I'm not sure. Maybe I had one over there. There's something down in there, but that don't hold the hard drive in. Just this one here, this one here. All right. So I already have them out. Let's see if I can get it like this. Get my screwdriver. Anyway, you're gonna have I broke mine though. See on your outside here. Let me see. Let's turn this. So you got a nice flush panel out here on the side of your laptop, right? And it's gonna keep going across here too. You won't be able to see that good, the way mine's opened up there. But I broke it off there. It's a little piece that goes on the end here. See there? And it's gonna be a piece of plastic across here. I don't know, they call that the caddy or something like that. I forget what they call it. But anyway, mine's broke. I'm going to show you. So I'm running a little ghetto over here. Anyway, I don't have this thing in here. This is the... Try and get this out of here. I'm going to push in one of the screw holes here. Okay, I'm going to push in this screw hole. Try and get it going. Here comes a little bit. It makes it a lot easier to get out of there with the caddy on there. You got to put the you're supposed to put the caddy back on the new drive too. Okay, here it comes. I'm just catching it there with a screwdriver. All right, here's the original. This is the original. This is upside down now. Okay, I'm gonna flip it right side up. Here it is. This is the original drive from going way back. I can't see the date on here. Somewhere it's got 2,000 something on there. 7,200 spin speed, 1 terabyte. It's actually a newer drive than back then. This is pretty big. So anyway, this end thing here. This is the way we came out like this, This end piece just goes. There's screws on the sides here. See these little screw holes right here? There's one right here. Right on the side of it. There's one over here on this side too. Right here, right at the last edge here. Okay? But this you're going to see on yours, you're going to have a... See how I clicked in there? I just slotted it in there. I dropped it. Anyway, it just hooks on the end here like this, see? And then it have a plastic piece. It'll all match up real nice when you push it back in. When you push your other drive back in. Take it off there. Take those 2 screws out of the end. Well, there's only one screw on one side. Take the screw out. Pull that plastic off there. And put it on your new drive. Make sure your new drive. Now watch here. You see how I got the little part over here? This is called your interface. This is a SATA interface. See how the little part's right here on the right. So make sure your computer's flipped over. Here's the inboard of the computer, the middle of the computer, inboard. So make sure that the littlest one's to the right. And the bigger side's to the left. On your new drive that you're going to put in there. Okay? Little one inside. And then make sure, and if you want to put the plastic back on here, out here, you know, it's going to screw in on the edge there, remember? One side just clamps in and one side screws in. You just kind of clip it, and bring it around and screw it. Okay? Then just bring it down here. This is your new SSD drive going in. It's going to look a little different. Same size, though. Same footprint, the size of the drive. You know, it's like a little thing of playing cards here. All right? So you just slide it in. Give it a push, get it in there, and watch the screw holes here. Here and here. You'll see them start lining up. There it comes. It just lined up right there. Couldn't see it in the light there. This one just lined up right here. Okay, so don't push it in too far. I mean, you can go in as deep as you can, I guess. Strike zone, I can't remember what that one was. Something that Dell came up with. Don't worry about that, it's nothing. And then, okay, hit your 2 screws. Sometimes I've been only running with one, now I'm running with none. I gotta find one to fit there. Okay, so you got your plastic cap back on the end here, remember? You put that on before you went back in. And then you're just gonna put your batteries back in. Look at my go down and look at my playlist. I think I got a video better than this one. I think it showed more detail what I did. Taking the drive in and out. And on the next one, I'm gonna try and do one where I'm gonna show you guys how to get Windows 10. Download it free and load it. And so you're gonna need it. We're gonna need get a thumb drive. Pick up a thumb drive. Anyway, going back to this. So now we got the hard drives in. Make sure the button's out on my secondary battery. Make sure the lever's out. We're working upside down here. And go in here in the end where the DVD-ROM went. Just kind of finesse it in there. It's kind of tight. Push it in. And push the lever back in. You'll hear it pop and lock. It'll lock in there. All right, so that's that one. If you don't have that one, you don't worry about it. Okay, just come with your primary. You come with your primary. Just gonna lay your primary down in there. You got a little gap here. Oh, see, making sure it's towards you, towards your ear. Leave a little gap here. Get it down in there flush. And then we're just gonna push it. We're just gonna kick it that way. I can do it kind of hard. It snaps it in. It'll snap it in place. Okay, here we go. Watch this. I don't know if I even got it. Yeah, I got it. But one of mine, I don't think one of mine are sticking. Yeah, the one over here on this side, it's not grabbing. It's just getting too old. I might have to work on that a little bit. But it's holding for now. Okay, make sure and then push the tabs back inward. There, this one popped right in. It's the only one holding it right now. All right. So that's check out my Patreon. Check down below my Patreon. This is Nervous Nick. I'm gonna go ahead and cut it right here. Thanks for watching. Leave me comments. Oh, talk to me on Patreon. I'll answer all your questions over on Patreon. It's down in my descriptions. I'm starting a Patreon page. And I can answer all your questions over there. Leave comments. Hit that thumbs up. Hit the subscribe. Share my video with your friends. All right, see you in the next one.